Rocket Preschool!
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Suzy Sheep today. So let's get started. So first off, we're going to just draw her nose. So we're just going to draw a simple circle, just right kind of near the top of your paper. And then next we're going to draw just her face. So it's kind of going to be like an oval, but just kind of more squished. So we're just going to start from her nose, work at the top of her head, down to the side of her cheek, and then I'm just going to bring it back to her nose, draw the bottom of her chin, and then back up to the side. So this is what your paper should look like after drawing the nose and the head. Then next we're just going to draw her ears. So we're just going to do 2 upside down U's. They're kind of going to be tall and a little bit skinnier, so it should be like that. Draw the other one. That should look like this once you're done with the ears. And then next, we're going to be drawing her eyes. It's just going to be 2 simple circles. So it's just 1 circle here. And then we're just going to draw her pupil, and that's just going to be a smaller circle right here. Then we're going to do the same thing to her other eye. It's just going to be 1 big circle and 1 little circle. It should look like this. And I'm going to go ahead and color her pupils in, just to give it, just to have her eyes pop a little more. Just okay. And then next we're going to draw her cheek, and it's just going to be another circle. Just like that. And then we're going to draw her smile, and it's just going to be 1 line like this. Then next we're going to be drawing her dress. Again, there's going to be 2 lines going down to her dress, so it's going to be 1 line here, and 1 line here. So just like that. And then there's going to be these 2 points right here. We're going to use that, and we're going to use another line to connect it, so that way we can make her dress. Just like that. Then next we're going to draw her tail, and it's going to be like kind of a little puffy tail. So there's going to be some squiggly lines in here. So there's going to be 1 loop, another loop, 1 more loop, and then we're going to connect it to her dress. Just like that. So again, that one's kind of a little tricky, so it's just going to be 1 loop, another loop, then 1 more loop. So there's going to be 3 little loops. Then next, we're going to be drawing her arms. So you're going to start kind of like off to the side on her dress. There's going to be 1 line, just like kind of a stick man. Then you're going to do 3 little lines for her fingers. Just like that. And then next we're going to draw her other arm. So you're just going to do the exact same thing. Just 1 line down the side of her dress, then 3 little lines for her fingers, just like that. Then next we're going to be drawing her feet, and just like a stick person, it's just going to be 2 straight lines, just like that. And then we're going to do 2 half circles for her feet. And then we're going to do 1 straight line for her for the bottom of her feet. And I'm going to go ahead and color her feet in for her shoes. Just going to color it with a black marker. All right, and we're all done drawing her. So next, this is kind of the fun part. You get to color her however you want. I'm just going to stay with the simple colors. I'm going to leave her head white, and I'm just going to basically just draw in her nose here and her cheeks, and then color in her dress. So I'm going to color her dress pink with just a pink crayon, and then we'll get started with that. All right, so now I'm going to color the rest of just her nose and her cheek. I'm just going to use the same crayon I was using for her dress for her nose, and then I'll go in with a lighter color pink for her cheek. So I'm going to do that really fast. All right, and then I'm going to go in with a lighter pink for a cheek, just a reminder. All right, and this is our finished Suzy Sheep. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you guys made it your own. Go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.